In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut Joy to make labels that will help organize your linen closet. Stick around, I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey, I'm Sarah and you're watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple craft tutorials. Today I am in my hallway and this is my linen closet. It is in need of a little organization. So let me show you what's in there. So this closet is right across from our main bathroom and I have two sets of these drawers. In it they hold all the things we use regularly. We've got toothbrushes in here, we've got some travel items in here, some first aid, and then there's another one on the shelf above it. And I still have room to put some larger items on the side, and they sneak right in there with all of our folded towels. So those drawers work really well for my family. All they need now is some easy labels. So that's where the Cricut Joy comes in. This is a portable little machine. You do not need a craft room for this. I'm gonna set it up right here in the hallway. Open it up, I just need an outlet to plug it in, and we're gonna make some labels.
So this is Cricut Access. I am using it on a computer here just to show you what it looks like, but you can use the app on your phone as well. So I just grabbed a font that I liked and I'm typing out the labels. Then I'm gonna make sure my Joy is selected and I'm gonna cut these out of black vinyl.
These drawers are a great way to keep my family organized, have everything that we need right at our fingertips, and these labels are a great way to figure out what's in the drawers before we go digging. So that's how I'm organizing my linen closet. It was quick, it was simple. I've got a link to those drawers down in the description if you want to try that method for your linen closet. The Cricut Joy is an excellent crafting companion. You do not need a dedicated craft room to use this machine. It's a great way to get started with an electronic cutter if you're looking to get into that space. I have a lot more Cricut Joy videos to share with you. You can look down in the description for links to those videos. And if you found this video inspiring, if you liked what you saw here today, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am here every week with new videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.